Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. And today we are gonna review a screen recorder called CamStudio screen recorder. And without any further ado, let's get started. I'm just gonna open my Google page here and search for CamStudio screen recorder. There you go. This is the website for camstudio.org, and I'm just gonna click here. Alright, as you can see, CamStudio is an open source free desktop recorder and also a streaming video software. Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly hover over this website and see what it says. Okay, it says CamStudio is able to record all screen and audio activity on your computer and create industry standard AVI video files. So as I understand from this text that all the videos are going to be in AVI format. Alright, great. So we do have a desktop version here, and also there is a forum for this camstudio.org and also a FAQ section where you can actually ask a bit of questions. Alright, so without any further ado, I'm gonna download the screen recorder by clicking the download button here. Alright, the .exe file has been downloaded now. I'm just gonna click on the .exe file here and click on run. I'm gonna accept the agreement and click on next. I'm just gonna give the same directory. Alright, and then I'll click on install. Okay, I'm just gonna click on finish with launch CamStudio checkbox on, and I'm gonna click on finish. There you go. This is the actual user interface of CamStudio. This is a pretty simple interface if you ask me. I'm just gonna quickly hover over this record button here, which is pretty basic. You just click on the record and then screen starts to record. There is a pause button and there is a stop button as well. And I'm not sure what this button is or are there any other buttons here. So I'm just gonna quickly select the region here by clicking on the region area. I can just choose a window or full screen or fixed region. So if I click on the fixed region now, I can just choose the width and height of the region. I can actually enable drag corners to pan and round down to even numbers, and then I'm just gonna click on OK. The screen recording to be like that. So if I click on the record button here, as you can see, I have a particular area where I can select. There you go, the recording has started. I'm just going to quickly stop this just to show you. Alright, so once the recording is completed, it just tells me to actually save the video. I'm just going to quickly cancel here. Alright, there is no option like dragging or anything, so I'm just gonna click on the region button again, and I'm going to click on window here to select the actual window and then start recording. Click on window to be captured. I'm just going to click on this window. There you go, the recording has started, as you can see here. As soon as I've selected the window, the recording has started for the particular window, and I'm going to stop the recording. There you go. So it's all great. Alright, then I'm going to go again to the region area here and choose full screen. So this is the option to record the full screen. So before recording the full screen, I just wanted to talk about a few other tools here and options here. So I'm just going to click on the options. I'm just going to choose video options, and I just have a video compressor codec here, the quality, frames per second, and all those simple features about the video. I think everything is already okay, so I'm just going to click on OK, and then I'm going to click on options again, and I'm going to choose on cursor options. And the cursor options, I can either hide the cursor or show the cursor. I can actually use actual cursor or use a custom cursor. So if I use a custom cursor, I can just choose a file from my PC and choose that icon to be the actual cursor. So I'm just going to use actual cursor here, and in case if I want to highlight the cursor, I'm just gonna click here, and there you go, I've got a little highlighter here, and I could select the shape of the highlighting. It can either be an ellipse or a square or a rectangle, but mostly people use circle, so I'm gonna use circle. And color, you can use either red or yellow is fine, so I'm just gonna use yellow, and you can use different colors like that to actually highlight your cursor while you're recording the screen. And I'm just gonna click on enable visual click feedback. Okay, so if I wanted to show my left clicks and right clicks with different colors, I can just choose different colors. So I'm just gonna use left click for red, and right click has green. All right, so I'm just gonna click on OK. All right, so again in options, I'm gonna choose the audio options here, audio options for microphone, for speakers and synchronization. I'm just gonna choose microphone, and I'm gonna choose the input device to be my Realtek high definition microphone here, and I could also select the volume levels here. I will just close it, and I'm just gonna click on OK, because all others are like the recording format and stuff like that. I think it's okay, so I'm just gonna click on OK here. Alright, I'm just gonna hover over to options once again, and I can set up auto panning, auto pan speed, and all these things, because you just have to move the screen here and there. So mostly for beginners, this is not very useful, just for the professional video makers. All right, let's quickly hover over to the tools and see. I can actually annotate my screen, or I can annotate my video. All right, and also I have SWF producer, converts AVI to Flash. You can use it in live videos. All right, so I'm just gonna click on screen annotations here, and I'm gonna look at the objects. Nothing is there, so there's no shapes or anything, so I'm just gonna close it. All right, so just again I'm gonna quickly select the tools, and I'm just gonna quickly select the tools and screen annotations, and I'm gonna try and draw something. No, nothing happens, so I'm just gonna close again. Alright, so under tools, video annotations, this is going to be the video annotations here. Nothing seems to be working. Alright, it's okay, but nothing happens. So I'm just gonna click on escape. I'm just gonna right click and close. Alright, so again in tools, okay, it's great. So again, here in the FX area, I can just choose annotation, and I can include a timestamp, or I can add a caption or add watermark. So these kind of options are available in CamStudio as well. All right, in the view section here, I can use a normal view or a compact view or buttons view. So if you choose buttons view here, I'll be only able to see the buttons here. And okay, I understood that this is just for the buttons view, and this is the whole view. So in case if I wanted to change the views, I can just click this button over here to change actually the views. So for now, I'll keep the default view here, and let's start the recording. All right, I'm just gonna click on record button here, and as you can see, the recording has been started, and I have chosen full screen as my screen recording type. So I'm just gonna pass this, and I'm gonna, okay, as you can see, the video has been saved as .swf. It says that I don't have the latest Flash version installed, so I just have to download the Flash player. That is a bummer, guys. Alright, so anyway, the video has been created, and that is in SWF format. I'm not able to actually change it. That is a bummer, guys, because it does not allow me to actually change it to AWI format anywhere here. See, end of life info. There is no Flash player, guys. So it was used to be there, but nowadays we don't have any Flash players in the current websites. So that is a bummer, guys. So anyway, CamStudio is a free desktop recording streaming video software, which is great if you actually record it in .avi format. It only records the video in Flash files, which is not usable anymore. That is where Pepper Cloud comes into place. You could record your screen and camera using Pepper Cloud. This is all online, guys. This is a web application, and you can actually record your screen or camera using the Pepper Cloud. But as you can see, the screen recorder that we were just looking at was not recording the webcam feed. So you can use Pepper Cloud, which is online, which is easily shareable and easily streamable. So I suggest that you take a look at PepperCloud screen recording application, and I've included the link in the description, guys. Please check it out. And so this is CamStudio open source free screen recorder software here, guys, for you. And I hope I've given you a brief overview on this screen recorder. All right, thank you, guys. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.